He's gone for the kebab, which is our wow factor dish when it comes out on the hook. So I think he gets to see that bit of what we do.
Yeah. Fuck me. Is that how they're always served? Oh, Jesus. Fuck me. It's the kind of thing you imagine Jordan eating with her fucking hands behind her back. Is someone taking the piss? How can you expect something like that and that to be cooked at the same time? A fillet steak kebab. May not sound that exciting, but should taste delicious. And that, in terms of presentation, looks like a pile of shit.